Alright, so it's time for another update. Let's see how things are going. Let's open this up. Let's open the lid up. Whoa, look at that. Now that is some crazy rooting action going on here. And what's interesting is also that the roots are popping up and down the whole thing here. We have roots popping here, roots popping here. The whole thing is pretty much turning into a big giant rooty mess. I think we're gonna go ahead and probably do an extraction on this soon. Do a transfer. And now this chunky boy over here, notice how green he is, but he also has rooted. Look at that. There's roots coming out of this also, so that's excellent news. And notice how green he is, but still he rooted. And this one over here, I was actually starting to think that this may actually start failing because of how the condition the wood has turned, but nope, roots have arrived. So this is definitely good news. That's it for now. This is Chicago Zone 6A out.